Well, of course, celebrating all the holidays, Jewish. I mean, in my home when I was young, even the newspapers were Jewish. I mean, there were two Yiddish newspapers in Winnipeg in this small population, the Israelite Press and the Yiddish Vort. And then my father used to get a socialist Yiddish paper called the Wochenblatt. And the records they listened to were Yiddish. My father loved Cantorial music, and those were the early, 78s we used to play on our record player. The values in my family, certainly were education. That was always a big one because my parents, certainly didn't have a lot of education. My father, as I say, I guess as a yeshiva bucher, went through maybe high school. My mother only went to grade school. But it was very important that my generation all go to college, and we all did. Starting with like my oldest first cousin in the family who became a physician, a woman who became a physician, and she kind of set the level for everyone. Her brother became a physician. My brother became a physician. Another one of my cousins became a pharmacist, and I became a healthcare administrator. So we all, went to college and graduate school, and that was, considered sort of expected.